Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know whether they can update their iPad 11th generation to the latest version of iPadOS 26.1. In one of my previous videos, I have mentioned that you can update to the latest version of iPadOS 26.1 on iPad 10th generation if you are facing battery drainage issue or any other lag or any stutter. So people have asked me whether they can update their iPad 11th generation to the latest version or not. iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation are identical. The only difference between these two iPads is the processor and the launch year. Apart from that, there are no such big difference. So if your iPad 11th generation is under warranty, in that case you can definitely update to the latest version of iPadOS 26.1. Actually, iPadOS 26.1 is a very stable update. After many unsuccessful updates, Apple has finally pushed an update that will give you excellent battery life. Also, editing on the iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation will be very smooth. You can see the timeline. There is no lag or stutter whatsoever. And iPad 11th generation is also very good for content creation. So if you are an YouTuber or any other content creator, in that case you can definitely buy iPad 11th generation. Apart from that, iPad 11th generation is good for multimedia consumption. The display quality is excellent, though it is a non-laminated display, yet you will feel that this is a very bright and vibrant display. You will thoroughly enjoy your multimedia contents, be it YouTube, Netflix or any other OTT platforms. If you upgrade to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.1, you can expect battery life or SOT up to 8 hours plus on a single charge. That is incredible. Plus, there is no heating issue, so it will not unnecessarily drain out your battery. So you will have a stable and sustained performance with good battery backup. There is no lag in the UI also. You will feel that it is as smooth as it was before, though it is only 60 Hz, and multitasking is very good on iPad 11th generation. So finally, in the conclusion, if you ask me, should you upgrade to the latest version or not, the answer will be yes. You can definitely upgrade to the latest version, that is iPadOS 26.1, and you will be very happy after updating to the latest version. So there is no issue in this update, and if you face any kind of issue, the next update will solve that issue. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have already updated your iPad 11th generation or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.